Welcome to Beginner's Profit. I'm Eric Ahmad, and if you've been dreaming of escaping the 9 to 5, building an online income, and finally having the freedom to live the life on your terms, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping beginners like you start and grow a profitable online business. No fluff, no gimmick, just real actionable strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, build passive income, or master digital marketing, I got you covered. I drop fresh content every week covering Tech Tuesday, must-have tools and automation hacks to make business easy, Wealth Building Wednesday, proven online business model that bring in real money, and Tactical Thursday, step-by-step strategies you can implement today. And lastly, Side Hustle Saturday, the best side hustle tested, reviewed, and broken down, and so much more. If you're ready to stop overthinking and start doing, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll never miss a video. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know what you're working on, what challenges you're facing, or just say hi. I'm here to help. Welcome to Beginner's Profit. Your journey of financial freedom starts now. Let's build something great together.